Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down. Then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Globoplay app, or just click on search. Then here add Globoplay app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.